Are you looking for an easy way to delete all of your posts on Facebook at once? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily delete multiple posts on Facebook in just a few simple steps. I'll walk you through the process step by step, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on your name at the very top. Once you are on your Facebook profile, tap on these three little dots on the right-hand side. And then tap on the activity log. After that, you'll see an option called Your Posts, and under that, you'll see a button called Manage Your Posts. Simply tap on Manage Your Posts. Once you are on this page, you will be able to see all of your Facebook posts. So now what you want to do next is tap where it says All. And it will select all of your Facebook posts. And then you have two different options at the bottom. You can tap on Archive to move these posts to the archive, or you can tap on Trash to delete all of these posts at once. So go ahead and tap on that to delete all your posts. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.